Hi there, I'm Melanie with Simple Made Pretty, and in this video tutorial I'm teaching how to create a faux living wall for your home or apartment using Dollar Tree greenery and this amazing new pegboard. If you'd like to try a living plant wall but don't want to spend a ton of money, I share how to use Dollar Tree succulents to create a faux living wall in this tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. I used an old farmhouse sign measuring 28 by 40 inches for my backing, and I ended up using 12 large square pegboards to fill my sign. Arrange the pegboards to make sure they fit inside your frame, making sure the notches on the sides line up with each other. Dollar Tree carries various pegboard shapes and sizes, so you can play around with what works for your sign. I ended up with about a ½ inch of space on the inside of my frame. I used the pegboard adhesive kinks to attach the bottom pegboards to the sign first. Fair warning, these adhesives are very sticky and almost impossible to remove. I only used one kink per pegboard for this sign and glued the rest for support. To attach the kink, simply push the kink circle into the pegboard circle on the back of the pegboard. Attach the adhesive and press the pegboard firmly onto the surface. Again, I'm only attaching one adhesive kink to the next square, and then I'm using the Aleene's Fast Grab tacky glue to hold the sides of the pegboards together. Make sure to align the sides of the pegboard where the notches meet. Let the glue dry completely, and then you can start attaching various greenery and succulents to create a beautiful artificial living wall. I used faux boxwood from Target Bullseye Playground, leaves from IKEA, and various Dollar Tree florals that I linked in the supply list. Arrange the plants on the pegboard like they are living plants. Keep like items together in bunches to create fullness. I attached the boxwood square by pushing succulents through it like a push pin. You may need to use some wire cutters to clip the end short enough to fit through the pegboard holes. If you ever get tired of your faux plant wall, you can easily remove the stems and use the pegboard frame to organize many other items in your home. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Links for the products featured in this video can be found in the description. You can also find the full blog post at simplemadepretty.com, and be sure to follow me and subscribe to see more projects like this. Bye!